Actually, Rajesh, there are so many models by which you can ascertain the threat classification to the information security system. However, let me explain to you simply.
Please explain to me simply, ma'am.
Simply speaking, information system security threat classification is based upon several models, and the classification of the threats depends upon the criteria of the source, whether internal or external. Who is the agent? What is his motivation or intention? And what the impact of the attack is? For the classification, we need to group the types of threats into account. After that, we need to find a method of propagating the message to the social media about such sites, which may be run by agencies with malwares.
So, Nandita ma'am, we need to be aware of so many things while operating on the internet.
Definitely, Rajesh. However, there are more ways an intruder can harm you. Here are some. These threats include computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, logic bombs, spyware, adware, and backdoor programs. For that, we will look into the next module.